Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So the Euro Yen did go down, and it did give me a break of structure, which should turn us bearish. Then it made a big old engulfing move to the upside. We have to keep in mind that the weekly is up, and there's always a chance that it could just keep going up, even with the break of structure to the downside. But more than likely, since we had the break, this move up probably is going to be like a wave B or a wave 2, which should be a crescent to this move down, and eventually we should go down again for a wave C or a wave 3. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I put my Fibonacci retracement. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I mean, this is very obviously a push up for like a wave A or maybe even a 1. So I wouldn't try to go short right now. I would, in order to go short, I would have to see some sort of an overlapping three-way pattern to a Fibonacci level, an ABC crescent. Then I would have to see an engulfing move to the downside, proving to me that it really is an ABC and that it really is going back down. Technically, if you're trading below the 1 hour time frame, now that we got a break, you could be looking for longs. And if it just keeps on going up and makes a new high because the weekly time frame is up, then that's kind of like a bonus for you. If you're looking for longs and it makes a very overlapping pattern to a Fibonacci level and then turns down really strong, then you would just stop looking for longs and you would start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.